bazar thlir tu te chibai ule tunlai hian COVID-19 vaccine chungchanga in nialna le soineu neu atam hlea German company America rama damdoi siamchuak tu company lian Pfizer nena thokduna COVID-19 vaccine siamchuak tu lian tak nita BioNTech an hotupa Dr. Ugur Sahin le anupui mai baka he BioNTech company a thoktu te chuan COVID-19 vaccine an lalo ni in soyani a he mi chungchanga Dr. Sahin an komna hi ilo thlir to mai thei he video hi han en la annoya hian a zot tu zo na le Dr. Sahin a chan na po mizo tongin subtitle kan ron da ngun taka enin lo ngai thala kan soi chun zom na po ilo en chun zom zel don nia.
Allow me personal questions. I know that you're not particularly fond of answering personal questions, but you and your wife, Dr. Thusawi, you play such a central role in the development of the virus, I have heard that you yourself have not taken the vaccine yet. Why not?
So I am legally not allowed to take the vaccine at the moment. We of course consider to make that possible. It is more important for us that our co-workers and partners get vaccinated. So our goal is to produce more than 1.3 billion doses in 2021, and that can only be done if we can really continue to work 24/7 without any interruption. And we need to ensure that we protect the co-workers and our team members from COVID-19 infection, because that would mean interruption and delay and waste of vaccine doses, and therefore we consider to make an extra batch independent from the European contingent available to collaboration partners who are supporting us and to our team members.
But I understand why are you not legally allowed to take the vaccine?
Because you know that there is a priority. The vaccine is not allowed to be taken outside of this priority list. And what is also important, we were even not allowed to participate in clinical trials because per law it is not possible to include company people into such trials, which is really fine. But now we have to deal with the more important challenge that we need to ensure functionality of our whole company, of our teams, and therefore this is needed, and I think we will find a legal and fair solution for that.
Dr. Sahin, many thanks.
Video kan enta kha Siamtute'N anilowa atak ngei ania checkyourfact.com chuan he video le Dr. Sahin-a'n vaccine aladu lo anga an soina chu adik reng emti an chuina chuan he video hi ni kum sang ni som ni December thami ania khati hun lai khan Germany a chuan mi zongjong tan vaccine pek chu alani lova Dr. Sahin hian he video a hian Pfizer BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine himlo chungchang a soilo shrim baka khami nu khan Dr. Sahin hian vaccine ala le dei to ti BioNTech thupong tu chuan a soini in an soyani an soizel na chuan Danin a phuar wanga vaccine lalo ani thu a soya vaccine himlo lam a soilova chu wangin mi then khatin he video post dara vaccine siamchuak tu berpo in vaccine ala du lo himlowati ti post dar tu te hian thudik lo an the darani antibok checkyourfact.com in an soidan chuan he video hi German news channel English a thu buang thin DW News in Dr. Sahin-a'n komna ania kumsang ni som ni December ni som ni pania ti chua dai to kha ani antia anin kom nu December ni som ni le pasaria Germany a chuan mi puitan vaccine pek chua ani chawani antibok an soizel Danin Dr. Sahin hian British newspaper The Times in an komna kumin January thla khan vaccine an lak ve to thu soya BioNTech 2.2 Jasmina Alatovich chuan email mangin Dr. Sahin-a'n COVID-19 vaccine dose ni alak to nuwa booster dose po alak le to thu aron hril ni in an soibok ani video hi entra leila zona zot tu hian vaccine tilawin virus atia asoi sual nge atilui niang.
You play such a central role in the development of the virus, in the development of the virus, in the development of the virus.
Virus mason zel na hian ipoimo hlea ati ani hi. Poimo dang le chu. Dr. Sahin-a'n ama le an company na thok tu te chu clinical trial a an telve chu dan ani lo ti asoya. A omzia chu vaccine an pek chu kha en fia en chin felvek nuwa athange ani ti hriat to nilovin en chin lai clinical trial anti vaccine Siamtute'N a en chin top na mitlem te ma ni in pe te taksa a an en chin na thin hun lai alani ti a chiang renga an soifia na khi dikpo lo ni ta se BioNTech le Pfizer vaccine te kha nikuma an pek chu chan tin khan clinical trial stage alani ti chiang tu ani thei mayam ti hi zona om thei ani a video hi han en non le la
priority list, and what is also important, we were even not allowed to participate in clinical trials because per law it is not possible to include company people into such trials, which is really fine.
Engpo ni se khovel mi thiam tele sarkar te po in vaccine la tura mi puite an fui mek lai hian mitam tak chon vaccine hi ahim tok ti fin fi alani lo ti in an la du lova voin thlengin in hial na a oma chuti lai chon vaccine la to ten COVID-19 free an kai non le a chu wang chon booster dose angai an ti le a booster la to te po in free an kai le boxi tuna hian COVID-19 virus chu in siam dang lam zela tuna hian a chithar ber omicron om le to a vaccine la to te tan po a lo om in kai ol samu chuak an ti le boka COVID-19 free hi a boi thlak ani heti lai hian he hripui hi chuti tak a hlo om chu ni lo ti a chiang zela nimina Union Health Ministry in report a siama chuan dakar somni pali liam ta chung khan India rampuma COVID-19 rikai thar mi sanga zasari somriat pali an oma chuti lai chuan rikai dam thar sang sari zakwa somkwa panga omin COVID-19 wanga thi chinchia thar zani somnga panni anom bok heti hian India rampuma COVID-19 rikai chinchia to chu mi vaibel chithum makta duai li nuai sari sangthum zaruk samli pali anni to a hengzinga nuai li sing sari sanga zariat le somriat pariat hi COVID-19 wangin an thia chuti lai chuan mi vaibel chithum makta duai li nuai khat singthum sangriat zasari somruk pathum zat chu andam le to thunga Shikaya tanga za a somkwa pariat point pathum paruk chu andam le to ti nani a thi hi shikai mu chua tanga za a pakhat point pathum pasari an ni thung nat na dang vei COVID-19 free po kai lo se thi mai tu rangai te po an positive awanga COVID-19 wanga thi anga chiar tel vek an ni chung po in shikai zong zong zinga za a panhi po an thi lova chuti chung chuan COVID-19 hi ripui ti in lau om em in soireng ania a hridan na chu lak ngei tur an ti boka hridan na la chuan adang le tak tak chuang bok si lova hei tak hi mitam takin vaccine an lak du lo chan po ni in alang COVID-19 le a vaccine chungchang hi chu kan la soizel don ani ome